Okay, so as part of this backend application, so this is the last session. So we created a Spring Boot application, and we added all kind of project structure and all components and all APIs we tested, which are working fine. Now we are implementing a delete API in employee controller. Okay, and also we will add method level documentation. Test this API from the Swagger UI and check the database the records are deleted properly, and test all APIs. All APIs. Okay, this is type of mistake. This all APIs one more time. Okay, let me come here. Let me come here in the STS. Stop the application. You can add. You can add. Okay. Delete. Delete employee. Okay. Delete employee. So delete employee. This API will delete the employee in database based on the given input as employee ID. Okay, employee ID. Fine. So here we need to call delete API. We need to call delete API here. Delete the employee by ID. So of course we need to pass ID. So instead of get mapping, we have a delete mapping. So at the rate path variable long ID is there. The same ID we are passing here. So you can add successfully deleted employee for the given input. Okay, that's fine. You can go to the implementation. So simply it is a void method, right? Repository dot delete by ID. You can pass this one. Simple. This is delete method is simple. Okay, delete API. Let me rerun this project. Okay, you can check the database. So deleted all employees. So now you can check the delete API also added. Now starting, if you want to delete the record should be in the database, right? Suresh Jami email is @gmail.com. Data science. Okay, execute. Suresh Villa here skills are accounts. Praveen Pilla here it is Java microservices. Okay, So get all employees, you can check the get all employees. Get all employees, we are having all. So let me check the update also. Update also one more time. Update. Okay. Try out. We are giving the record here. Instead of Suresh, I'm adding Prasad. Gautam. Prasad. Let me check the database also here before that. So the second record we are updating here. Okay. Prasad and ID also we are passing here. Yes. Let me execute. Updated successfully. Okay. So check this database. Yeah, it is updated. The second record is updated successfully. And you can call get employee also by passing the ID. You are getting or not, right? It is also working fine. Now delete employee by passing ID. Successfully deleted employee for the given input. Okay, you can check here. Database also you can check. It is deleted successfully. Okay, so now we tested all APIs here. Successfully we completed backend implementation. You can check the database. The records also deleted. Okay, the records also deleted. All APIs are successfully implemented. The Spring Boot application or Spring Boot microservices successfully created and tested. Right, our backend development is done. You can check here. Backend tech stack we use Java 17, Spring Boot 3, and Spring Data JPA, and all REST APIs and Open API we added as a documentation as well as the user interface for the testing. And also we added MySQL database to store the information, all the employee details in the database. So this is what we done as part of this full stack application. For the next class onwards, next session onwards, 11th session onwards, how to install React.js and how to implement a function, how to create a prop, how to add a props, and how to add a state, and how to add a components, and how to add hooks, use state and use effect, such kind of hooks from the React.js. All are we will check the backend side, the next class level, next class from the onwards. So our front end application is done successfully.